With over 50 years' experience in the industrial rotational fields, Indrotech offer a wide range of products and services for all sizes of business across all industries, with the ability to satisfy the smallest request through to a full end-to-end solution. We can cater for any combination of products or any application. We can dynamically balance rotating components to the highest possible grade and produce real-time certificates for your peace of mind that the job is done right. Our two-plane hard-bearing shank balancing machines carry the latest technology software that allow us to achieve this for you, the customer. Why don't you ask our team of engineers to discuss our machine's capacity and see how we can solve your ongoing equipment vibration issues?